Good morning. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss about water jet machining process. In water jet machining process, it is also known as water jet cutting. It is a non-traditional machining process in which high velocity jet of water is used to remove the materials from the surface of the workpiece. Water jet machining can be used to cut softer materials such as plastic, rubber or wood. In order to cut harder materials like metals or granite, an abrasive material is mixed in the water. When an abrasive material is used in the water for machining process, then it is called as abrasive water jet machining. Now we are going to discuss about the working principle of water jet machining process. It is based on the principle of water erosion. When a high velocity jet of water strikes the surface, the removal of material takes place. Pure water jet is used to machine softer materials, but to cut harder materials, some abrasive particles mixed with the water for machining, and it is called as an AWJM, that means abrasive water jet machining process. And this is a diagram of water jet machining process. It consists of the major parts are intensifier or pump, accumulator, control valve, regulating chamber, nozzle and the workpiece. Now we are going to discuss about the different parts of water jet machining process in detail. First important part is an hydraulic pump. It is used to circulate the water from the storage tank during the machining process. The pump delivers water to the intensifier at low pressure of about 5 bars. A booster is also used which can increases the initial pressure of water to up to 11 bar before delivering it to an intensifier. Next we are going to discuss about the purpose of hydraulic intensifier. It is used to increase the pressure of water to very high pressure. It receives the water from the pump at 4 bar and increases its pressure up to 3000 to 4000 bar. The main purpose of an intensifier is to increase the pressure of the water. And the third important major part of the water jet machining process is an accumulator. It stores the high pressurized water temporarily. It supplies that fluid when a large amount of pressure energy is required. It eliminates pressure fluctuation conditions in the machining process. Next important is mixing chamber or tube. It is a vacuum chamber where the mixing of abrasive particles takes place into the water. Next important is control valve. It controls the pressure and direction of the water jet. And then flow regulator or pressure regulator or valve. The flow of the water is regulated with the help of the flow regulator. Next, nozzle. It is a device that is used to convert the pressure energy of water into kinetic energy in water jet machining process. Here, nozzle converts the pressure of water jet into high velocity beam of water jet. The tip of the nozzle is either it can be made of ruby or diamond in order to prevent the erosion while machining process. Next, last important part in water jet machining process is drain and catcher system. After the machining process, the debris and machined particles from the water are separated out with the help of drain and catcher system. It removes the metal particle and the other unwanted particles from the water and send it back to the reservoir for further use. Next, we are going to discuss about the working of water jet machining process. The water from the reservoir is pumped to the intensifier with the help of the pump. The intensifier increases the pressure of the water from 5 bar to 3000 to up to 4000 bar. This high pressure water from the intensifier is moved to the nozzle as well as in accumulator. The accumulator purpose of the accumulator is to store the high pressure water and supplies it at any instant when it is required. It is used to eliminate the fluctuation of the high pressure requirement of machining odd particles. If the high pressure water is then passed to the nozzle where the high pressure energy of the water is converted into one kinetic energy. This high velocity jet of water, nearly about 1000 meter per second, comes out through the nozzle in the form of a narrow beam. Abrasives such as garnet or aluminum oxide is mixed with the water with the help of the nozzle. A mixing chamber is there in the nozzle where the abrasives get mixed with the high pressure water. This high pressure jet of water, when strikes the surface of the workpiece material, the removal of the material takes place. The water jet, after machining it, gets collected by the drain and catcher system. Here, the debris, metal particles from the water are removed and it is supplied to the reservoir tank. Next, these are all the advantages of water jet machining process. It has the ability to cut materials without disturbing its original structure. It is capable of producing complex and intricate cut in the materials. The work area in this machining process remains clean and dust free. It has a greater precision of the machining. The tolerance of the order of about plus or minus 0.005 inch can be achieved easily. The thermal damage to the workpiece is negligible due to no heat generation. Thank you.